The Telangana Master Games Association Table Tennis Championship witnessed the mighty win in the women's singles 70 plus category by the undefeated Mrs. Saroj Diwan. Saroj was all over the papers with her shiny medal and trophy, but as we get to talk to her, we realize that she is quite a veteran in the field of achievements, excellence, and table tennis.
It started like from my childhood. My father being in the army, so he was also sports loving, and he encouraged me to come to sports, and discipline and time value was from beginning only it was showed to us. And being in army, we were socializing, and education was of course our main focus. That's how it all started.
Being the extraordinary player that she was, her achievements helped her find a place in the most prestigious magazines and newspapers right from her childhood.
Yeah, it's very interesting. When we were in Meerut in RG College, ladies girls college, so I used to go to stadium and play, and there for 3 years continuously I was chosen as a all-rounder trophy. I won. So naturally mass media people, they wanted to cover me. So it had come in Femina, Pastime and Army magazine.
Not only is Saroj a table tennis master, but she has also been a skilled equestrian right from her teens.
So along with table tennis, another passion which I adopted was horse riding. Again in Meerut, where my father was posted, we were given a chance that if we want to learn this daredevil sportsmanship, so you enter. And I was the lucky one, which God also helped me, and I entered into. And soon I was so keen and addicted and hardworking that I was chosen for India level again, horse riding. We used to have ladies horse riding competition separate. And along with table tennis, horse riding also went along. And for horse riding and table tennis, we were selected to go to Red Fort. So it still gives me goosebumps to remember that how in big trucks, army trucks, we were taken from Meerut, from Lucknow to different parts to be camped in Red Fort area.
Along with excelling in sports, Saroj also managed to win hearts in the world of glam.
So along with my sports hobbies, I am also chosen as a veteran queen, golden queen from my club, and I am a keen dancer and I love dancing. This is also my passion. Then I worked and acted on TV and radio, and I was chosen for Cherry and Apple modeling, which I did playfully and very nicely.
Saroj has always been an achiever since the beginning of times, and even today we see her living up to her title of a multi-potentialite and doing it effortlessly.
I'll say if somebody has interest and passion, they can do anything in life. So time, discipline and hard work. These are the 3 things which anybody wants to achieve anything in life, they can do.
The list of Saroj's achievements starts with her being an NCC officer, an equestrian, table tennis master, golfer, yoga enthusiast, actor, model, pageant winner, dancer, and the list just never seems to end. Saroj leaves no stone unturned when it comes to adding feathers to her cap. Even today, she is moving towards her goal with full velocity.
I would like to tell my younger generation that nothing is impossible in this world. One has to do hard work, and they should have a will to do it, and discipline is the main 3 habits which they have to keep it. That's what Vivekananda said. And I'll tell you, don't let your age restrict you. One can learn anything at any time.
Mrs. Saroj Diwan, with her inspiring story, undying spirit, passion, and sheer hard work reinforces the notion that, well, age is just a number. Do not let your age restrict you from doing the things that you love. Learn more, practice more, stay active, and live your life to the fullest, because in the end, you only live once.